This may be the intro to the video, but this is from the end of the day. I'm exhausted and I have a confession to make. I have to confess that I was an idiot last week. I forgot to lock my car in the morning when I left. Usually it's just second nature to claw, and it's locked, you know. Thankfully, when I got back at the end of the day last week, hadn't been touched. Oh, so thankful for that. But on to the video. Woo! Hey everybody, El Burrow here. It's Mining Monday! And we're back at Trestle again this week because last week was freaking awesome for just 3 hours of work. Oh, we got the biggest piece of gold I have ever found personally. I weighed it out. I weighed all the gold out and all the cons, which I will reveal in a minute. Gotta be patient because it's breakfast time! Oh, it's perfect. So it is now about 9:15. I am here early because I want to have enough time to get in here, get set up, and run more dirt than last week. Oh. I'm hoping to have everything set up by about 10:15, 10:30 maybe-ish at the latest. I have everything down here already. I've already made the trips down to get all the stuff here. So just gotta unpack, set up, and run. Oh, yeah. It's a lot of work. But you've been waiting patiently, so did I. Here are the totals for last week. And here's the weights of that one little picker I had right here. I know, 0.03 of a gram isn't much, but it's pretty decent. Best I've had it for a single piece of gold. And just shy of 2/3 of a gram for myself. I'm okay with that. I ran somewhere between 15 to 20 buckets, and that's it. If we had a Raptor out here, if I had Mike out here, we could easily do 100 buckets. So multiply 0.63 by 4 times. Yeah, not bad at all. But it's time to get to it. Beautiful out. This is going to be the last week, I believe, for this season out here at Trestle, because weather forecast is nothing but rain after today. Water levels will be up to here. Up to here. No joke. So, do as much as we can today, pack everything up, go home. But there's gold to be had first. Get that gold! Woo! Let's get to it. Okay, I just did a testing on our tailings. This is after the crash box. So the top of the box, there's a little bit. But that was a half pan, mostly rocks. So I think we did okay there. I'm also going to do a tailings at the bottom end of the box. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is the result of the bottom box, the end of the sluice tailings. A couple small pieces, but not too bad. I'll take it. Gotta remember that I had the pan at the end of the box to catch the tailings, and that's what escaped. I'm okay with that. Let's get set up. All right, I made my goal. 10:15, we are going. Things just kind of puttering along at almost no speed at all. It's about where I want it to be. Reduce the amount of water coming off the back end today. Oh crap. Gold! I've ran maybe 2.5 buckets worth of dirt and I can already see gold. Oh, there's one. Oh yes. We are on it. Don't mind me, guys. I'm enjoying a little water break. $12.15. Time for lunch. Box looks good. There's more gold in it. Man, it's just kind of chilly out. There's no sun warming me up. There's a little bit of a breeze. Yeah, rain's a coming. Oh, excuse me. Catch you back in a little bit. It's now 1:35 in the afternoon. I'm going to dig 2 more buckets, and I'm shutting her down. Oh, my back is so done. I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. Woo! Box looks good, littered with gold. But I ran into a little bit of soil. It's a little bit more compact and a little more silty. So I'm not sure if it's actually as rich as what last week's was. I don't know. I haven't checked any tailings at all. I haven't done any test pans at all of that dirt. I just don't have time. I want to run buckets. Run that dirt. All right. 2 more buckets. Oh, let's get to it. We're done. 2 o'clock, sun just went behind the mountain. Time to clean up and pack out. Whew. Taking a little while, but this is the bottom box plus the garbage. I'd say it's about a 1/4 gram right there. Not too bad, although the gold isn't as large in general as last week. Alright, get that snuffered up and move on to the next box. Top box. Okay, final reveal for the top box. Does look good, doesn't it? There's no massive single flake like last time. I'm not hiding it from you. But I think we're about what we had last week. Maybe a hair over. Alright, I'm going to get that snuffered up. And then I'll take all these cons home and I'll work them this week. And we'll have a total for next week. Alright, time to get packing up. Okay, final video. We did okay today. I mean, I know, I was feeling a little slow today, but made up for it with being here a little early. We might actually beat our totals from last week. Alright, final nutrients. I gotta go quickly on this. I can't talk too long because 4 o'clock is approaching quickly. And sun will be down right around 4:40. Yeah, I got to sprint. Woo! Been a great day, folks. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And I suggest you guys check out my Instagram and Facebook pages for more content not seen in these videos, of course. But I really hope you enjoy this video. I'm glad you have watched. I appreciate it every single week that when you do. And man, the comment section last week was freaking awesome. Just blew up. Let's keep it going. But yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, share, and comment down below in this video. Because we will see you next week for another amazing adventure. Most likely not going to be able to make it out to Trestle. Because, well, rain's a-coming. See you next week, folks. Take care.